DT Ultra 2, a dual personality smartwatch. Introducing the 2024 DT Ultra 2 watch, a smartwatch designed for both men and women. The DT Ultra 2 is a smartwatch that wears two hats, a robust fitness tracker and a fully-fledged Android companion. It's a device that caters to both the casual fitness enthusiast and the tech-savvy individual seeking a smartwatch that can almost replace their phone. Featuring an AMOLED screen, this watch offers stunning visuals and vibrant colors. The 2.1-inch AMOLED display is a visual treat, offering vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're checking notifications, tracking your workout data, or simply admiring the watch face, the screen is a pleasure to interact with. The build quality feels premium, with a sturdy frame and comfortable straps. With 16GB RAM and 2GB RAM, it ensures smooth performance and ample storage. Enjoy dual system functionality with Android and Bluetooth for versatile connectivity. As an Android companion, the DT Ultra 2 holds its own. You can install apps, make calls, send messages, and even take photos using the built-in camera. While it's not as powerful as a smartphone, it's impressive what it can achieve. However, the watch's small keyboard can be frustrating for extended typing sessions. Stay connected with Wi-Fi, GPS, and support for popular apps like WhatsApp and TikTok. Easily pair with Bluetooth headsets and make calls directly from your wrist. Choose from over 500 customizable watch faces to match your style. Track your fitness with multiple sport modes and stay motivated. Access Google Play to download your favorite apps and enhance your smartwatch experience. Battery life is decent, lasting a full day with heavy use in Android mode. In Bluetooth mode, you can expect multiple days between charges. Charging is relatively quick, ensuring minimal downtime. Order now. Order today for £73.99.